Okay, so remember what I've been telling you. You can add fractions that have the same denominator. But what do you do when you have fractions that have different denominators? Think about it. What do you think you have to do? I gave you a hint up here. What do you think you have to do? You find a common denominator, right? You have to look at 2, you have to look at 10, and you find your least common denominator. So go ahead. This one was we already did this one in letter C. We found the least common denominator between 2 and 10. What is it, Danielito? 10, remember? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 20. Ooh, 10 is the one. So this is what we're going to do, you guys. Watch my steps. You put equals line, right? You put your denominator as 10. And then you do the process that we've been doing with our backward Z. This one already has the denominator as 10. Remember what I told you yesterday about that? That means the numerator is the same as it was before. We don't change anything. But then this one we do. Backward Z, 2 times what equals 10? 5. So we put our 5 up here. 1 times 5 equals 5. And then we add our fractions. 5, we put our denominator as 10, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, now, am I done with this problem, Safir? No, because I still need to do what? Reduce. Okay, so what are we going to reduce by? Mario, what number are we going to reduce by? Well, our factors of 8 are 1, 8, 2, and 4. Our factors of 10 are 1, 10, 2, and 5. So what's our greatest common factor, Mario? 2. So we're going to reduce by 2. 8 divided by 4 is 4, and 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So there's our real answer. Okay? Here we go. Let's do letter B together. Okay, letter B together. Here we go. We have 3 and 9, so we cannot add those denominators by themselves. So what do we have to do? We have to change the denominators. We have 3 and 9. What is our least common denominator between 3 and 9? Ethan? I think you got 9, right? Because think about it. 3, 6, 9. That's our multiples of 3. 9 is 9, 18, 27. But the smallest number that they both have in common is what, Ethan? 9. Okay, so here we go. Follow my process. If you're not writing this down with me, that's crazy because I'm helping you do your homework today. You put 9 on the bottom. Okay? And then we do our backward Z. Here we go. 3 times what equals 9, Bueno? 3. So then you put the 3 up here too. 1 times 3 equals 3, and there's your new fraction. This one does what, Frankie? Stays the same, because the 9 is the same on the bottom, so you have to put a 2 right here. And then you add your fractions. 9 is on the bottom, 3 plus 2 is 5. Can we reduce that fraction? Emiliana? No. So there is your answer for letter B. Go ahead and try letter C. Let's try that one together. Try letter C. Okay, let's check it. Ready, guys? Let's see. So what's our common denominator between 4 and 2? Frankie? 4. Excellent. So then this one we don't even have to change. That's beautiful. And then this one, what do we do? Backwards z, 2 times what equals 4? 2. We put the 2 up here, so this is 2. And our answer is 3/4. Do we need to reduce 3/4? No, no, no. Okay, so D you're going to do by yourself, but I want to do E with you because those are bigger numbers. So I don't want you to be like, oh my word, I'm going to die. But you won't, don't worry. No death today. While I'm writing it, you can see if you can find the common denominator between them. Because really the whole numbers don't have anything to do with your fractions until you try to add everything together. Okay, here we go. What's our common denominator? What did you come up with? Andres, what did you come up with? 15. Good, because here we go. We have 15 here, and we have 5. 5, 10, 15. Boom, 15 is 1, which is beautiful. Wasn't too hard. Because look, this one we don't have to change. This is still 7. The only one we have to change is this one. Backwards z. 5 times what equals 15? 3. 2 times 3 equals what? 6. And this one you don't have to change either. Okay, now watch and be careful. You have your denominator as 15. This is something that we've been doing, but we're forgetting. I'm seeing that we're forgetting this. Watch. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Before we move over to the whole numbers, can you leave this as 17 over 15? No, no, you cannot. What do you have to do? You have to divide it because why? Why, Daniela? So why do you have to divide it like that? Because the 17 is bigger than the 15, right? So we put 15 into 17 one time. 1 times 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. So our fraction is 2 over 15. We move this over to here, you guys. That's 2/15. And put 1 up here because this is a whole number. That 1 is a whole number that you have to put with the other whole numbers, okay? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 17 is 19. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 92 and 2/15 is your answer. Okay? So I have done 1, 2, 3, 4 with you. You only have 4 left to do by yourself. I know that you can do it. But I also want to help you with tomorrow's lesson. Basically, tomorrow's lesson is the exact same thing with subtraction. So let's do 2 of those to make sure that you feel comfortable so that when you start your homework tomorrow, and you have a break from the videos, you can just jump into it with confidence. Okay, look at 4A. Here we go. What's our common denominator going to be, Danielito? 8. Good job, buddy. 4, 8, 12, 8, 16, right? So 8 has to be the common denominator. So we do our backwards z. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. This stays the same up here. So what is our final answer, Abiel? 3/8. Can we reduce it? Safir, can we reduce that? No, we cannot. Okay, try letter B by yourself while I put it up here. Okay, don't be scared that there's no whole number here, okay? Here we go, let's just do our common denominator. What's it gonna be? Emiliana. 6, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, and then 6 right here. So we do 6, 6. We don't change this one, but we do change this one. What's our answer going to be, Oscar? 2. Excellent job. Because we put 2 here, and it's 2. 5 minus 2 is 3/6. How do we reduce that, Mario? divide by 3, divide by 3. So it'll be 1/2. There you go. You guys are all ready to do everything today and everything tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving again. Have a great day. Love you.